For technicians and DIYers, the number one question is always, can this scan tool actually handle the cars in my garage? Today, we are looking at iCarsoft's latest flagship, the CR Max P. It claims coverage for 58 major vehicle brands and tens of thousands of models. But more importantly, it promises a true, ready-to-use out-of-the-box experience with absolutely no hidden costs. Let's get it unboxed and find out if it's truly worth your money. First, let's look at the packaging. My very first impression, solid. It comes in a professional EVA carrying case that you can literally throw into a messy toolbox without worrying about it deforming. Let's see what accessories we get inside the box. We have the main unit, the wireless VCI Bluetooth module, the USB Type-C charging cables, the manual, the RJ45 network cable, the F-chassis adapter, and the USB to Ethernet adapter. Let's break down the hardware into 3 quick highlights. First, the screen. A 10-inch ultra-clear touchscreen running on Android 8.1. Navigating complex menus feels as smooth and fluid as using your everyday tablet. Second, the storage. 64 gigabytes of internal memory, which is double the previous generation. You won't have to worry about running out of space for heavy vehicle software updates and databases. Third, the wireless. Dual-band 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi with a 33-foot wireless range, backed by a reliable independent VCI Bluetooth module. You can plug the VCI into the car and walk completely around the vehicle while fixing things, without ever losing your connection. But hardware is only half the story. The soul of a diagnostic tool lies in its functionality. Let's plug it into the vehicle and see what it can do. When it comes to deep vehicle scanning, this tool does not skip a beat. It goes far beyond basic generic codes to uncover what is truly happening under the hood. First, full system diagnostics. It runs a one-touch health check across all modules: engine, transmission, ABS, and airbag, making reading and clearing manufacturer-specific fault codes effortless. Second, bidirectional control or active tests. This is a massive diagnostic time saver. It sends commands directly to the ECU to actively test components like fuel injectors, cooling fans, ABS pumps, and windows. You don't have to rely on the car's physical buttons, allowing you to isolate faults up to 3 times faster than manual troubleshooting. Third, over 40 maintenance reset services, oil light reset, electronic parking brake, throttle body alignment, SAS, TPMS, DPF. Pretty much every daily service function your garage needs is fully supported. One of the biggest traps with advanced scan tools is the subscription fees, often costing hundreds of dollars a year. The CR Max P completely eliminates that headache with lifetime free online updates via one-click Wi-Fi. For long-term use, this alone saves you a fortune. So who is this for? If you run a professional repair shop, or if you're a passionate DIYer who wants a large, high-definition screen, bidirectional testing capabilities, advanced DoIP support, and 0 annual subscription fees, the CR Max P deserves a serious look. That wraps up our unboxing and overview of the iCarsoft CR Max P. If you want to see a specific live test on a certain car brand or function, let me know in the comments down below. The link to check it out is in the description and pinned comment. See you in the next one.